Hamilton is snowed in. A Measure Blizzard has dumped more than 140 centimeters of snow on the city. City bolos right across town are stuck because there is just too much snow. Buses aren't moving. Police car and fire trucks can't get to emergencies. Hospitals and businesses have shut their doors. At Hamilton Airport, all the planes have been grounded. The snow is piling up, and there is no end in sight. However, Mohawk College has opened for classes. Many Link Youth students braved the weather and went to school this morning. They are stuck at Mohawk College with no way to get home. Our reporter Judith is there now.
I'm Judith at Mohawk College, and I'm talking to some students who are stuck here at Mohawk College.
Oh my God, it's so cold. It's like, I don't know, I felt like a freezer. I couldn't drive my car to get college. I took a taxi. It takes about me 1 hour, and it takes a lot of money. Oh my God, the taxi drivers are working so hard these 2 days. Oh my God.
Some students couldn't go home, so they had to spend nights at the college.
How are you dealing with this situation?
No problem. We found a Tim Hortons donuts.
And we found curtains, and they are keeping us warm.
How long are you going to stay like this?
I don't know. The donuts are good.
But we need McDonald's.
I don't know what's going to happen today because it's so freezing and the snow is too much. I'm Judith reporting from Link for Youth.